If you're looking to burn off fat and you want a step-by-step process on how to do so, then look no further. This video is for you. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Vatsa and I am a self-taught fitness enthusiast. If you are looking to stay fit, lose weight, build muscle, or improve your life overall, then you are at the right place. Every week, I'm going to be sharing delicious, simple, low-calorie Indian recipes along with fitness-related content broken down into simple terms that help me to go from this to this, and also self-improvement habits, because I am just like you, trying to get better every day. So with that being said, please do consider subscribing and let's jump into this video. If you are trying to lose weight the right way, I know it can be overwhelming, guys. Trust me, I have been there. There is so much information out there on the internet, and sometimes we try to tick so many boxes, which at the end of the day, if you look at the bigger picture, don't even matter. And sometimes we just, it's so overwhelming that we break, we get demotivated, and we quit. In this video, I want to break everything down and share with you a step-by-step process on the things that you need to focus on in order to lose fat. Firstly, if you are planning to start a fat loss journey or currently in one, kudos to you. I truly believe this is the first major step. Being ready to commit, being aware of how you feel and how you look and wanting to do something about it is the right mindset you want to be in before you start this journey. So great job. Now, what I want you to understand is that for a successful fat loss journey, it does not have to be complicated. I promise you it isn't. Yes, it does require a lot of discipline, patience, consistency, but the overall process does not have too many variables in it. And in this video, I want to break down the entire process into 4 major steps that you need to follow, not for a day, not for a week, not for a month, but every single day over a period of time to see a new transformed version of yourself. So without wasting much time, let's jump into step number 1. Must be in an energy deficit. If you are trying to lose weight, if you are trying to lose fat, you have to be consuming lesser calories than your body requires to maintain your current weight. You need to set yourself on a calorie deficit. You can be doing everything right, but if you are eating more than your body requires, you are never gonna lose weight. So the first step, guys, is to calculate how many calories that you should be eating per day to start losing weight. And the best way to do it, or the easiest way, I would say, not the best way, but the easiest way to do it is use the link that I have provided below, calculate your maintenance calories, and create a 200 to a 300 deficit from that number. Why do I say create small deficits and not huge deficits? Well, watch this video here, but basically you want to make it more sustainable and you don't want to lose too much muscle in the process. Remember, guys, the goal is not to just lose weight. You want to be losing as much of that weight from fat as possible and as little of that weight from muscle as possible, which is why I have deliberately called this as a fat loss journey and not a weight loss journey. It is crucial that you understand the differences between the two, okay? Also, you don't want to be losing too much weight too fast, because chances are you're also losing muscle in the process. I know we all want to lose weight fast, guys. I know that's what you want, but remember this, the faster you lose it, the faster you'll gain it back. Step number 2, weight training. Second on the list of priorities is weight training. You want to be making sure that you are lifting weights anywhere between 3 to 6 times a week. If you are just doing cardio and not weight training, you are not going to build the muscle and look toned while the fat on your body drops. The whole point of trying to lose weight the right way is trying to preserve as much muscle as you have. And one of the key steps for that is weightlifting. So my suggestion is pick a program, whether that's a 3-day, 4-day, 5-day, or a 6-day program based on how many times you can go to the gym. Again, please don't be overambitious. Be honest with yourself, be practical, and pick a program and just stick with it week after week. Step number 3, adequate protein intake. The next on the list is you want to be making sure you are getting enough protein in your diet, guys. A high protein diet is what you should be aiming for if you're trying to lose weight. Why? Firstly, it is more satiating, which means you're less likely to overeat on your calories. And number two, it helps in building and preserving your muscle. And I'm gonna keep stressing on this because this is by far the most important point when it comes to losing weight. You wanna make sure you are burning off fat and not muscle. So a good rule of thumb is to eat anywhere between 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. And I'm going to be making another video explaining how much protein you should be eating based on your body type, but anywhere between 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight should be fine. Step 4, cardio. This comes at step 4 or at the end because it is of least priority, but you still want to add some form of cardio at some point of your fat loss journey to create greater deficits. I recommend using cardio only when you cannot create any more deficits through your diet. If you are already eating too less and you don't want to go lesser than that, then you can use cardio as a tool to create those larger deficits. Again, guys, please don't spend hours in the gym doing cardio. It is not required. You can lose weight by just eating right and lifting weights. And in case you are going to be doing some form of cardio, make sure you do it at the end of the workout and not at the beginning. So these are the 4 important steps that I wanted to go over with you that I want you to keep in mind when you are looking at a fat loss transformation. There are a few more variables here and there, but these 4 steps cover 90% of it. And I just want to end by saying, don't overcomplicate things, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. It will take time. You will have to be patient, but as long as you're consistently eating right, working out, and getting adequate amounts of protein, I promise you, you will reach your fat loss goals. Just trust the process and enjoy the journey. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a like, and also do share this video with others, and also comment down below on the kind of videos you'd like to see, and I'd be happy to make it. With that being said, you take care, stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. That a fat loss journey is not as complicated the overall the fat on your body drops.